Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool one right here, and basically what this is a passion fruit honey puree. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. So the cool thing about this product here is the fact that the ingredients that they use on here is actually all natural ingredients. There's no artificial flavor and no artificial coloring. Like if you guys just look at the inside right here, you guys can definitely see the honey and also the passion fruit that's inside with all the seed. If you guys look at the side right here, they provide you guys all the information in terms of how to use it. So you definitely have the option to mix it with your tea, whether it's like green tea or black tea or whatever. You also have the option to use it as jam for your bread or whatever. You guys can also use it as salad dressing, or you can use it for the base of your beverage. And when you guys first get the product, you guys don't need to put it in the fridge. But once you guys do open it, you guys do need to leave it in the fridge. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. If you can see, it definitely looks very big. So this should last you guys for a really long time. Especially if you guys don't drink it every single day, then you should be fine. But I've been drinking this for quite some time now, mixing it with like tea and etc. It actually tastes really good. You definitely taste a little bit of the sourness that's on here because of the passion fruit seed. But you definitely get that sweetness on here, so you don't need to add sugar when you guys do mix it with your tea or whatever. And these are so good to the point that if you've ever been to like your local like boba shop or milk tea shop, if you guys ever get like the passion fruit tea, it literally tastes the same thing as this one right here. So if you guys want to make like your own fruit tea, you guys can definitely do that on here. I've literally been doing that almost every single week because it's so good. But that is everything that's on the bar right here. Now that we did a quick feedback about the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys do love passion fruit, then definitely getting one of these to mix it for your tea, your jam, your salad or whatever is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.